time with our best players of the game. We have Mark Escalona with 15 points and Carl Kiambao with 20 points. Mark, unahin na kita. Your leadership is very evident sa buong game. But what really amazed us the most is yung conditioning mo. Paano mo ba nasusustain yung energy mo from first quarter to fourth quarter?
Ang haba nung nilaro namin nung past season, almost 6 months. Nagbakasyon muna kami. Honestly, naghahabol kami ngayon. I don't feel that we are still in our top shape because we only started about 2 months ago. We are studying the format very well. I think it's about peaking at the right time. Pero ang pinaka-advantage namin, ang tagal na namin magkakaamuyan eh. Evident sa amin, yung laro ni Carl, laro ng lahat, laro nila Glenn, laro nila Ces. Basang-basa na namin.
Thank you, Carl. Ikaw naman, Carl, kanina napansin namin na medyo ang ganda ng connection yung dalawa, no? Although there are some misses dun sa assist ni Mark, but you recovered at the end and ended up with 20 points. Paano ba yung mindset recovery from those misses?
Ayun, bumawi lang ako sa mga pasa ni Boss Maki at yun, binigay yung kumpiyansa sa akin.
Ngayon, Carl, batiin mo naman at pasalamatan yung mga sumusuporta at pamilya ng SSS Pension Boosters.
Ayun, yung lahat ng sumusuporta sa SSS, lahat ng management, kay Boss Maki, lahat ng sumusuporta, mga teammates namin, at yung family ko sa Pampanga, mama ko at papa ko, mga kapatid ko, at saka yung mga pamangkin ko, asawa at anak ko. Yun lang.
Thank you, Carl. Ikaw naman, Maki, batiin mo naman at pasalamatan yung mga supporters and family.
To the SSS community, tayo pinakamaingay last year, tayo pinakamarami, pero hindi ko kayo nakita ngayon. Siguro hindi nyo pa alam. Next game, we expect na nandyan kayo. Please support us. Binabati ko rin ang aming bagong OIC, PCO Agas, former PCO Rolly Makasayat, my family, Camille, Cash Chase, Cole, CC, Kaden, and Khalid. Malaki na yung pamilya namin eh. So again, SSS, please support us in our next game. We'll see you there. Thank you.
Thank you again and congratulations, Mark and Carl.